So I have come to the realization that the channel name has become more of a real thing than I probably ever thought it was going to be. With that being said, we're about to do this. So basically right in front of us we got this mountain of stuff. Let me sheath part of this knife so I don't freaking cut myself. But we got a lot of stuff right here, and we're gonna try and unbox all of it and talk about it like briefly, like for a second, because don't get me wrong, I plan to either do a full review or videos on some of this stuff and other stuffs, but yeah, so I just don't have time. But I do want to show you guys this stuff, and I want to show it to you a little bit sooner before I give like my full opinion, because that's going to take obviously a while. So we're working on it, but I work a full-time job, like more hours a week than I'm willing to admit. And then I put a lot of hours into this, obviously, as you guys can probably tell. So let's just get right into this. And I'm gonna clear my desk first with, you know, it's just too much stuff right now. So we'll come back to a lot of this stuff. BRB. So first things first, this thing is gonna be the mouse pad from Odin Gaming, as well as in partnership with ALEXOTOS. ALEXOTOS designed it, I think, and then Odin Gaming obviously printed it on their fantastic zero gravity mouse pad surface. So my favorite mouse pad to date. Actually, we have a giveaway going on like right now. By the time I upload this, you probably have a couple days till you're able to enter into the giveaway possibility to win. So go do that right now. If the giveaway is still live, it'll be linked in the description below in my Discord channel. I'll post a video to the zero gravity updated review as well, so you know like all the terms of the giveaway too. I digress. Let's read this little note from ALEXOTOS. Thank you for picking up this desk pad. I had a blast designing it, and I really wanted to create something that would properly capture the Miami colorway, but in a more chaotic geometric style. I was playing around with the design for a while and came up with this, and I really hope you enjoy. The support means the world to me. ALEXOTOS. Aww. Dang. Crap, I hit my mic. I think I got it upside down, but man, even, I don't know. Is this a bear? I think this is a bear right here. I don't know what this is. Man, this thing looks freaking sweet. Like, I don't have my camera zoomed all the way out so you guys can't see the whole thing, but right after this, I'm gonna put some B-roll, but let me see here. Let me test this before I start the B-roll sequence for this mouse pad. Wait, let me just use my mic first. Wireless. That's why I got it, because it's wireless. Yeah, this feels exactly the same as my other zero gravity mouse pad, which I'm cool with. That's exactly what I wanted. So at last, we finally have some artisan mouse pads with really cool design and high performance surfaces as well. So super comfortable, 4mm thickness, blah, blah, blah. Watch the B-roll. I think we're gonna rock with this surface for the rest of the video. Like, this thing looks freaking sick, man. Oh my god, you guys did a really good job on this. By the way, guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know what was sent out to me and what wasn't in the description below. So if something was sent out to me, I'll just say sent out, because I don't really have time to remember all of this stuff. Like, I really don't. This is just a MIRA-M from HK Gaming, right? I haven't even used it yet. Like, I just pulled it out of the box, and it feels pretty much exactly like a G-Wolf's Hottie, maybe with some updated PTFE feet, but honestly, these feet don't really feel that much better. But I do notice one difference between this and the Hottie. This has like this RGB scroll wheel, but maybe one day I'll have time to plug this in, because I've been super busy, as you guys can probably tell. Next is this Sam the Cooking Guy 7-inch NAKIRI knife. So yeah, obviously, you know, we all got to eat, and the kid is kind of good at cooking. So I decided to invest in, how do I take this out the box without cutting myself? I wanted to invest in a nice quality kitchen knife. Man, this thing, this thing is freaking sweet, bro. Holy crap. This is sick. Ooh, that's a little sharp. That is a little sharp. Okay, good thing I bought a knife sharpener too. I don't know how to use it, but I'm gonna figure out how to use it. This thing is nasty. Let me be careful freaking putting the top of this blade back in this thing, because I am not trying to cut myself. Don't apply too much pressure. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Back in this thing it goes. Man, holy crap. You guys gotta support the YouTubers that you watch. Like, I watch Sam the Cooking Guy like all the time. I thought that, you know, buying this knife, it was something that I need to do anyways. I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks, but even after holding it for that brief period of time, like, this wood handle, this blade is super sharp. Wow. This blade is super sharp. Now go forth and live your best knife. Sam the Cooking Guy. Let's go. Man, this thing is freaking sweet. Can't wait to use this. Probably not until like the weekend. You guys probably seen on MKBHD's channel about this this giant AirPod. I bought one. It was only like 40 bucks. I bought a lot of stupid stuff online, as you guys can probably, yeah, you guys probably can't. I don't show all of it on camera, obviously, but this is like a giant AirPod slash speaker. It sounds like crap. It really does. It sounds terrible. I mean, I wish I could buy like the other giant AirPod Pro and have like the left and right sides, and like I would like hang it up on the wall. I just think that'd be funny. So I did get these Creative SXFI Theater wireless headphones. They come with like this dongle and everything too. I actually pulled these out of the box last night to try them out. So far they are like pretty comfortable. These ear pads though are not very they're not very breathable, to be honest. Like, they're not the most comfortable, but the padding is very good though, so that's the thing. And I think they're leatherette-ish because you probably want to create like a really good seal, because these are for like watching movies and stuff like that. And the audio quality I don't really think is bad. I've only used them for like one night, and I was just playing some games for like 2 hours. So I think I just gotta break them in a little bit more and get some time into them. The microphone though, I will say I was in Discord yesterday, and I wasn't really getting the best of opinions. So if you're looking for this strictly based on like the mic quality, I would probably look elsewhere. Next, I got something from SpaceCables. I bought this as well. So this is just a B-stock SpaceCables laser cable. So I guess they had made some extras, or these are just like the second or third grade quality of the laser colorway that they did on their site, as well as probably drop.com as well. But honestly, there is very little wrong with this, like, at all. Like, I see like a couple nicks maybe on the shrink wrap, and then a couple nicks on the Aviator. Other than that, I'm like, dude, for 50 bucks I get a space cable, and the coils are literally just as good as a full price. And yeah, it looks great. It looks great. I like it. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but I don't know. I haven't seen one in person except for one that I've seen like long ago from Swift Shell. So cool. Add that to the collection of coiled aviator cables that I have probably way too many of. Speaking of which, this one I actually bought from Matrix Keyboards. This is one of their coiled aviator cables as well. And yeah, they're actually sending me some, so that's cool. I told them not to send me the same color that I already bought, because I didn't know that they planned on sending me some. So that's cool, you know. I'll take them. I'll take them. You know, you can't have too many colors. But one thing I will say to Matrix about this, man, this packaging is out of this freaking world, man. Like, dude, I was just about to say, like, SpaceCables new box looks pretty good. It looks super clean, but this whole unboxing experience, like with the foam, the thick box, it was unnecessarily thick box, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, the gold lettering and stuff, like the same as the Clicks keyboard, bro. Matrix, you're killing it with the packaging. Now, unfortunately, don't get me wrong, this cable quality looks really good, decently springy as well, but I just don't like how, to the device, this is just a little bit too long. Like, this should be like half that. Like, let me see here. Oh, did I just coil it on my own? Okay, cool. I just fixed my own problem. I was gonna say that that was just a little bit too long, but apparently this cable is stiff enough for me to just coil a little bit on my own, and now it's the perfect length away from the device. So yeah, I mean, I guess I fixed that on my own. That's cool. But I got this black and white colorway right now, so white interior with a black tech flex. I say white interior, but a white paracord with a black tech flex, and it's got the black shrink wrap as well, and I think it looks pretty good. Only thing I would change, maybe offer like some painted aviators or something like that, or like just do painted aviators and charge like, you know, $5 or $8 more or whatever. I think that'd be pretty cool. I don't know if that's the cost of a painted aviator, but I mean, even if it was $10 more for the cable with the premium painted aviator, I would say it would be worth it. I think that'd be pretty cool. Then in addition to that, I also got one of these new Matrix space bars. Now don't get me wrong, I think that $15 for a cool space bar is, you know, it's just a little much. But you know, it's got a cool design. I seen like some of these had some issues with some warping, so I kind of wanted to check it out and see if these were warping or not. This one does seem to be kind of warped. Yeah, so you know, like this one is a little bit warped. It does get a little bit of wobble on the table. Now, don't get me wrong, I never noticed that until like somebody pointed it out in a video. So honestly, if I'd never seen that video, I would not have checked for that immediately. But I will say, like, it is kind of noticeable. It is pretty noticeable. So yeah, but yeah, $15. I'll probably hit them up on Twitter and ask for another one because it's a little rocky. It's a little rocky, and for $15 for a freaking space bar, I kind of want it to be perfect. Oh, I did forget to say that the additional blue and pink mouse pads that I got from Odin PC are here. So the giveaway mouse pads are in-house. So I will have these out to you guys after the giveaway closes on Saturday. Next, we do have this RGB headset stand. This is the new white version of the Tiltonation 3-in-1 headset stand. And yeah, I cannot wait to use this mug. I'm actually doing some work for Tiltonation, like a sponsored project. So I will mention that, even though this video is not sponsored. So we just want to let you guys know, if you see something floating around with your boy on the internet, it's all good. But this thing was cool anyways, and you guys know how much I love white themed stuff. They sent me a couple of them, so I was like, hey, you know, why not feature it on the unboxing idea that I literally just came up with. But yeah, guys, this thing looks really cool. You got RGB all around the entire stand. You got these little USB ports as well for 3.0 data transfer speeds. You got a mouse bungee. It's a headset stand. And I mean, you know, I want to say this thing is around like 25 to 30 bucks. Honestly, it's not bad if you needed to fulfill like multiple roles on your desk and you don't want to have a separate mouse bungee, a separate headset stand, a separate USB hub. It's really nice. It's a good all-in-one solution, and I support the product. Obviously, that's why I'm doing work for them in the future, near future actually. Next, we've got this 60% keyboard from Redragon. This one has dust-proof brown switches. I wonder who they're from, but since we got it, we might as well go ahead and unbox this bad boy from Redragon. This DRACONIC. I wonder what the rest of the name is. Ooh, I probably almost cut myself right there. Dang, that would have sucked. All right, I think this keyboard is like in the realm of about 50-ish, maybe 60 bucks. I want to say it could be less. If this thing is 45 bucks, we'll see if this is going to be like the best new budget keyboard. This one does have brown switches, which I don't really think that brown switches are the best for gaming in particular. That plastic is kind of tough. I don't want to talk about it, but hopefully they do have like a red linear switch tester in here. Let's see. Mechanical gaming switches. Come on now. This styrofoam is not letting me grab it. All right, let's see. So they got a black linear switch with a heavier switch, the brown that's in there, the tactile, the red with the light spring, and the blue clicky switch. No, thank you. Got a switch puller, this USB Type-C cable. Apparently it plugs in on the side. And then what else is in here? Keycap puller, sticker, and a manual. So that's pretty cool. Height adjustability, okay. They passed rule number 1. If the keyboard is not height adjustable, like starting this right now, if it's not height adjustable, automatically gets a -2. Like, it needs to be height adjustable. Magic FN. Ooh, I'm probably gonna like that because that's what I like a lot about the AM Pro 2. These keycaps, they do feel like ABS, but they're not horrible quality ABS. Like, these are not bad. This is probably on par with like the TechWare Phantom. They don't really collect hand oils either. These actually might be, I don't see if this thing is PBT or not, if these keycaps are PBT, but stabilizers are not horrible. Brown switches, fairly tactile. Not bad. Can't wait to use it actually. This thing is wireless, so let's see if it comes with some juice and some RGB, of course. Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3. That's nice. You got like this little switch, on and off switch, and then 3 different Bluetooth devices you can change from with just this little switch right here. So that's pretty cool actually. Function, Bluetooth. All right, so I think it's dead. I probably need to charge it. And then this company also sent me a freaking soundbar, bro. Like a soundbar with a subwoofer. I'm gonna review this month too. So yeah. Oh, this thing is good. I don't have time to pull this out of the box right now. Like, it's kind of late, if you can't tell, because it's kind of dark outside. So I'm not gonna pull this out of the box right now. But and for my console people, we also got the POWERA Spectra Enhanced Controller. And this thing has RGB, so of course we were down to review this. I actually asked POWERA for this because it's been sold out for like a really long time. It might be back in stock now, but when I was looking for it initially, it was sold out. So I'm like, all right, well, I was gonna buy it for 50 bucks, but can y'all send me one? Because I can't find one. And they were sold out too. So it took them a while to send it to me. Finally got it. I've actually had it for like a month now, but I just haven't had time to review it. So this is like coming up on the to-do list. Like, I gotta review this like ASAP because it's really good. It's just as good as the other enhanced wired controller. It's actually literally the same, but it's got RGB. But I think it's still like pretty nice. I think it deserves like its own review because this one is the Spectra Enhanced, not just the Enhanced. That is gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Again, if you guys want to know if any of these products were sent out to me, I will have them notated in the description of what was sent to me, and then everything else that does not say that it was sent to me is paid for by me, obviously. So yeah, put 2 and 2 together. This is not a sponsored video. If it was, I would have said pay promotion at the bottom, and I would have told you it was sponsored. But yeah, again, I've come to the realization that I have too much tech now. I'm getting too much tech now, and it's kind of hard to keep up with. Like, I'm sure I got plenty of other stuff that I didn't include in this, and I didn't want to make the video like a half-hour long, so we're gonna cut it short here. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, join my Discord server, all that good stuff. I will see you in the next one.